Sure. Now moving on to Region 2 for Division 1, Skyline 11-1, Spring Westfield 12-0. This Spring Westfield team, they average 260 yards a game running the football, and the three teams, they're 12-0. The three teams that came closest to them had the same formula. Now, like I said, the formula didn't particularly work because they didn't win the game, but the Woodlands, Martin, and Plano all ran the ball 35 times or more, and those were Westfield's closest games. Skyline can run the football. Sheridan Copeland, we talked about this a little bit before. I mean, he's as good as any quarterback in the air. I mean, you look at what he's done this year. So, I mean, this really sets up to be a pretty intriguing game to watch.
I think it will be, and it'll be close. Westfield won't run away and hide, and I don't think Skyline will be able to run away and hide. It'll be very close, a possession or so, like it was last year. Derek Dixon was the Skyline guy. I think he picked off a 2-point conversion pass that would have given Westfield the win. And Derek Dixon is a really good guy. In fact, he may be the best running back on their team. He plays safety. He was going to play it early, then he got hurt. And then they kind of found another running back, but he may get back at running back for this game. Copeland has been much better and progressed through the year much faster than I think people thought after they had Kincaid. So, and I think it was important to the Skyline program. They lost Rashad Samples, Reggie, the coach's son. They lost a quarterback. That they're back in this big game again says a lot for them, but I kind of like Westfield in this one.
I agree. I would agree with that. Allen and the Woodlands, the other game, Woodlands, they only lost to Skyline and Katy this year, so they've had a great year. They've had a lot of close games along the way, though. The thing that concerns me for them, they can score. They scored 40 a game. They also gave up 28 a game, and that's not against Allen. So you match that up against Allen, and I fear that for the Woodlands that Allen's going to score.
Well, that's the concern of every game. Whoever is playing Allen, it's a concern.
Sure.
They are just rolling, and it's just phenomenal to watch them because they're only multi-dimensional because of Kyler Murray. I can't say how well he is playing because their running backs are just okay, and their receivers are just okay. But he is so accurate. He makes the right read every play, and then he takes off at just the right instant. I mean, he's not like a 4-4 guy, but he looks like it because he makes his decision and runs. And I just don't, whether it's the Woodlands, I mean, and I don't think anybody the next week. I think the only game they're going to get is like it was in the state championship when they play the Houston team, Lamar again, and Lamar is really good.
They really are.
Yeah.
And Allen, for all they do on offense, that defense is really good, and they put a lot of pressure on the passer with that front seven and people in the secondary that can cover. So you're right. I think the Woodlands, they have a good football team. I don't look for them to make it close against Allen. Westfield and Skyline, some things break right. Well, I think we're all looking forward to DeSoto and Allen down the line and seeing what can happen there, and that certainly will be a lot of fun.